What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Windows Update error update failed you are getting on your Windows PC. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. The update failed error can occur because of different issues, and it's recommended to first of all run the Windows Update Troubleshooter to fix any minor issues with Windows Update. Open up your Windows settings. Under System, click on Troubleshoot. In your other troubleshooters, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will take a couple of seconds to detect issues and apply changes to fix the Windows Update error you are getting. When this is done, you should also restart the Windows Update service on your PC. Search for Services in your Start menu search to open the Windows Services Manager app. On this window, select any service in this list and start typing Windows Update to locate the Windows Update service. Right-click this service to access its properties. Make sure the startup type for this service is set to Automatic. Below, the service status should be set to Running. If this is not the case, then make sure to start this service. Next, make sure to remove any peripherals, such as your webcam, external speakers, or a headset from your USB ports. Open up your command prompt by searching for cmd and make sure to click Run as Administrator to run it as an admin. On this window, use the sfc/scannow command. The System File Checker tool will scan all protected system files and replace corrupted files with a cached copy. This has helped fix the Windows Update error for many users. It can take a couple of minutes to complete the scan, and you will be required to restart your PC once it's done. These steps and more information will be available in my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.